This video is for the Subaru Baja, but it could also work on any Gen 2 Outback, Gen 3 Legacy, 2000 to 2004 US market. Y'all can translate whatever that is in Europe and Japan. Hopefully this helps. This piece right here, you can pull these tabs out, but since there's already have to remove this anyway, you can actually just reach in and see right there, you can just push the tab out, that plastic bit. So it'll look like this. Boop. Ooh, it's like a monster coming through the walls. And just pull them out. Then, right here is the gas pedal. There's a Phillips screw right there. That panel off, 2 little 10mm bolts. To take the airbag out, we've got to take the glove box out. And then it's just some 10mm bolts up here. And then you've got to take this weird connector off. All wiring that I've ran into that related to the airbags are yellow. The connectors are also yellow. And the connectors are usually different. And I just say different because it's usually a 2-step process. So what I'm doing here, push the green down. It'll take a little bit longer than I'd like, but you get the idea. There's usually a second lock on these, and it's worth noting. Once more with filling, in case anyone needs it. This is the back side of the dash. Bolt here, bolt there, bolt there. There's these pegs up against the windshield glass. These here. These on the side. There. Actually, I don't think you need to take that one off. There. There. Pegs here. A couple on this side, just to give you an idea of all the bolts you're needing to take off. And then there's some on the front that should be pretty easy to find, but I wanted this extra shot. From the front, pretty sure most of these are actually for the gauge cluster, but just wanted to show it out so you could get a good idea of all the bolt holes you're needing to go after. Ignore all the wiring. There's those. The holes for the glove box. Alright, hopefully this helps someone take out a dash. This is on a Gen 2